Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Roblox application on your PC with Windows 11. So first of all guys, to update the Roblox application, you need to go to the Microsoft Store. If you don't have Microsoft Store application, you can go to the website and then you're going to go to the search menu and search for the Roblox application. Okay, open up the Roblox, and if the update is available, you will be able to see the update button here. But as you can see that there is no update, so it means that my Roblox has been updated. And then you just need to click on the update button. The update button will show up here if the updates is available, and then you just need to click on it, and your Roblox will be updated. Okay guys, and that's all the way to update Roblox application on PC with Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!